Okay guys, so tonight we're anticipating the delivery of our plant shelf. It's a big plant shelf because we need space for all our dish gardens and plants at home. So this is where it'll be. I'll show you guys. So this is where we will be putting our plant shelf. Currently, it's a big piano. Um, we have decided to dispose of this piano because we were not able to play that often anymore, and we're going to be putting the plant shelf in its place because we have a lot of plants and dish gardens that need a place to stay. So we're going to be saying bye to this piano. Thank you, piano, for all the years making music with you. And we all learned how to play piano because of you. And we're going to miss you, but it's time for a change. We will update you guys once the shelf arrives and we'll show you how it goes. Oh my gosh, it's here! Yeah! Ooh. It's here. Okay, they're literally taking the piano apart because it's too heavy to carry out. They're taking it apart piece by piece. What is that? What even is that? Oh my god! What that is? Wow. Oh Lord. Oh my god. The music. I'm low-key scared. Oh god, oh my god. Bye bye, piano.
It didn't really care about you. It looks so cool.
Whoa. Okay, guys, so here's the shelf. Nadine and I moved it to the spot. And we wiped it a little bit. We're gonna start putting plants there soon.
Okay, so now we are starting to put the dish gardens and the plants onto the shelf to make it pretty.
This one. And we can put stuff behind it. The little something like these. This really cute. It's really tiny. It's like look how tiny it is. It's a cactus inside a treasure chest, and there's rocks here. And Mama says that we should put the greatest treasure, love. Wow, that's really cute. So we have finished putting some plants on the shelf. We didn't fill it because we are going to be making more dish gardens that we will be putting there. So we'll leave some spots empty, but for now... Oh, by the way, this painting, you guys, made by Galleria Rica. check it out. I'll put the Facebook and Instagram up here in case you guys want home decor paintings.
And then the YouTube.
Yes, I also have a YouTube channel for my art
And speed
adventures, speed painting. I will also put the link in the description. Everything will be in the description if you guys want to check out all my other stuff. I also do commission artwork for like family pictures and stuff. Anyways, so here are some plants at the top shelf. Look at this. This is the newest edition. It's literally this small. Next, some mini paintings by Galleria Rica as well. More plants, more succulents. We just placed them on the shelf because they had nowhere to go. So here is a dish garden in progress that is not done. This is a finished dish garden.
I painted that.
Yeah. Here's the mountain dish garden. What is this? The succulent dish garden tray thingy.
The broken pot dish garden.
The broken pot dish garden is really nicely decorated. Look at the mini house. Ooh. And more plants. Mommy's just putting rocks at the bottom shelf. So over here, this is we're not finished with this part. There's supposed to be like I don't know, like screws over here
For hanging plants.
for hanging plants. That's why there's a big space there because we're gonna be hanging plants over there. So for now, that's our shelf. Okay, guys, it's late at night and we gotta finish cleaning up. That's it for today's video.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And see you guys in the next one.
Bye.